consumer warning on any of these little Ford 4-cylinders. This is in a Lincoln, but it's still a little Ford 4-cylinder. From I think around 2014 to 2019, all of these little 4-cylinder engines just about are pretty much junk. You get coolant intrusion down into the cylinders, causing a misfire and using coolant. Just beware if you're buying a Ford product with a 4-cylinder in it from I think 2014 to 19. So I've got my endoscope down in there. Let's see here. You can see coolant running down the cylinder wall there. And you got a big puddle of coolant down in there.